Hello, hola, I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today I got another good one for you. On this channel, we talk about real estate, we talk about crushing it in your business, we give valuable tips and tools so that you can crush it and make you more money and more money and more money. Well, today, there's no different. Today, we're going to talk about the things you never do in real estate. You never do as a real estate investor, a realtor, or a wholesaler. So, come on in. Come on this channel today, you came on here to learn some tips and tools on how you can make money or save money. Some of you are beginners and some of you are pretty well experienced, or you may be jumping into being a landlord, or you may be jumping into the next level with real estate. So as you go down the Rena MoMoney channel, there will always be a video that will benefit you, that will help you and give you some free valuable information. And we'll have a part 2 to some more of the things that you should not do. So if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe. And once you subscribe, you turn on that little belly thing so that you'll always know when I come on here to give you this free valuable information. Never do these things in real estate. Number 1, never sell all of your real estate. Never sell all of your real estate. So if you're already currently an investor, if you're already currently a landlord, or you currently have properties and you're looking at this market and you see that it's going up and soaring up and soaring up, the prices are high, market has changed drastically, inflation is taking a toll, the war is taking a toll, you see so much going on, and you're wanting to capitalize on selling some of your real estate, that's fine. It's okay to sell a few. I would highly recommend you refinance, pull the money out of that and go buy another one. Or refinance, take some money out of that equity, pull some money out and go get you another investment and diversify and do some more things with it. Catch up on some things, go enjoy yourself. Never sell all of your real estate. Another great benefit of never selling all of your real estate is you can save on taxes. In some cases, you'll never pay taxes on some real estate if you do it right and structure it right. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA, but you definitely want to get in contact with your accountant before making drastic moves, especially if you already have a lot of properties. I would say to refinance, to get your money out, and getting that money out becomes tax-free. So never sell all of your real estate. Also keep in mind the BRRRR. You want to buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. That's what you want to do with your real estate. Number 2, never try to go around the realtor when a house is on the market. Never try to do that. Ethics play an important role. It's not good. And again, your grandmother told you, what goes around comes around. So be careful of that. Be mindful of that. It's actually wrong and you shouldn't do it, and it should start wearing on your heart. So never try to go around the realtor when a house is on the market. Third thing you should never do in real estate is never walk away from a deal that appears to be expensive to you. You may have only been doing $100,000 deals or $200,000 deals, and a $300,000 deal come your way. Take it. There is somebody you can wholesale it to. There is somebody ready to buy that. It may be you've only did $400,000 and under, and now here's this $1 million deal. Don't be afraid of doing big deals. Never walk away from a deal that appears to be expensive to you. Here's a nugget. Here's a nugget I want to give you. Here's something I want to give you. For every 4 wholesale deals you do, buy a rental. For every 4 wholesale, buy a rental. That's a part of diversifying. Or for every 2 flips you do, buy a rental. Don't just always rent. Don't be just a wholesaler. Do flips, do rentals, do wholesales. Keep that in mind. Also, always try to use other people's money. Other people's money, OPM. We've talked about that. There are trillions of dollars out here for housing, trillions of dollars. So tap into it. And if you need some help with understanding that, if you need some help with tapping into real estate funds, go down the channel. I talk about some lenders that are doing no doc loans to investors. I also talk about how you can buy real estate with credit cards. This channel is a wealth of information for you to crush it. I talk about Subject To, which is one of the best creative financing option out there to get a deal subject to the existing loan. That's one of the best. So make sure that you take some time out and go down the channel to look at what can help you and what can benefit you as you're on your journey of real estate. Okay, moving right along. We got several more here for you. I think that was the third or fourth one. But before I get into the next one, I like to do this. And I don't know if this is your first time on this channel, but I love to give shout out. I like to say thank you to the new subscribers who have taken the time out to educate themselves. So give yourself a hand as I give you a hand and give you an applaud. Thank you so much for joining. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now and turn on the little belly thing. I randomly select new subscribers and also those that make a nice comment in the comment section of the video. I like to randomly select. I pay attention to them all. I can't select them all, but here, and here, again, I like to thank you. Thank you for coming back. Okay, let's jump back into it. Never hang around people who don't want what you want. You've probably heard this before, but I need to reiterate that. First of all, everybody's not going to have the same mindset as you. Everybody's not going to be a grinder as you. Everybody doesn't see your vision. And you've always heard, don't tell your left hand what your right hand is doing. Don't let everybody know your next step and your next plan, because first of all, everybody's not going to be happy for you. If you have a friend, a family member used to you only making $50,000 a year and now you're making $150,000, or you have a dream to make $400,000 a year, don't share that dream. Just let your light shine. They don't want big things. If they don't want to strive to be the greatest that they can be, if they don't want to strive to be a millionaire, that's not what you want to hang around. So never hang around people who don't want what you want. Never stop when you fail. It's a part of the process. And once you realize it's a part of the process, you'll get up, you brush that off, and you go on to next. And that's one of my favorite words, next. And understand that that is a part of the process. The next one I want to tell you about is to never be afraid to negotiate a price. Never be afraid to ask and to negotiate a price. And it's an investment, and the numbers must work. The numbers are the numbers. And guess what? The math doesn't change. So know your numbers, know how to calculate a good deal. That's going to be very important. If you need help with that, or you're just starting and you need to do a coaching call, schedule a coaching call with me. Look down in the description below. I have some resources where you can schedule a coaching call, where you can get some skip tracing help, some text blasting. I even have a video on text blasting apps that you can use. Take some time out and educate yourself. Always, but always educate yourself. So take these tips and take these tools with you, and I guarantee you, you would definitely start to succeed if you're not already. I want to give you those golden nuggets. I always come on this channel and give a golden nugget, like I said, to help you save or make money. The first golden nugget is cover business cash advance. Cover business cash advance is great if you're in the gig economy. For example, if you do Uber Eats, DoorDash, Amazon, Lyft, things of that nature, you can get an advance on your future earnings with Cover Business Cash Advance. There's no credit check. Cover Business Cash Advance is mainly built for 1099 contractors. You can get up to $1,500 to pay for unexpected expenses. You can get approved in 24 hours. The only downfall is there is a service fee. There is a service fee that will apply, and this is not a loan. Keep that in mind. Check it out. Do your own due diligence. Cover Business Cash Advance. Another one I like to tell you about, here's another boom nugget, is Signal Financial Credit Union. You only need a 580 credit score, FICO score 580, and it helps basically get you a fresh start. Signal Financial Credit Union have a lot of different types of products, and you must become a member, so remember that. Signal Financial Credit Union is best fit for those in the DMV area. So if you're in Florida, it's not really for you. I'm in Florida, but it's best fit for those that are in the DMV area. There's a $25 annual fee, but you can get that waived the first year. The Visa is like 9.75% all the way up to 18% APR. And this also, their card is also one that in 12 months, it's a 0% APR on their Visa credit card. 12 months of 0% APR on their credit card, and the credit card goes up to $40,000. Signal Financial Credit Union. So that's two boom nuggets I want you to check in. Do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an accountant, but I am someone that is trying to help you crush it. I'm giving you these tips and tools so that you can check out. Back to the thing you should never, never, never do in real estate as you go on your real estate investing journey. And I really should have made this first instead of towards the end. You should never buy real estate investment properties in your personal name. You need to put it in some type of trust. There are different type trusts out there, and or you need to put it in an LLC. Another thing too, never put all of your properties in one LLC. You should not have more than 5 properties in one LLC. No matter how you structure it, you should not have more than 5 properties linked to one LLC. So never ever buy real estate investment in your personal name. We're going to talk about some more seller tips. We're going to talk about some more ways to help yourself crush it during this pandemic. We're going to talk about some ways to beat this inflation. And we're always going to give some shout outs and always have some boom nuggets that's going to help you save money or make money. So wherever you are in your investing, wherever you are in your financial situation, come on this channel. This channel will always be jam-packed with something to help you save money or make money. So thanks again, and you take care.